I'm just enough to make you smile.
Hey coffin girls, it's about that time. It's almost Christmas, so I know it hasn't even been Thanksgiving. I already know this. I am just ahead of the game for once. Um, I wanted to do this quick video, and it is hosting my favorite gel polish, which is D&D. The first color is Sugar Spun, and the second color is French Tips. And then there is a little bit of dark salmon, and the little bit of orange at the end is New York Islanders. So just to give that shout out to D&D, I love them so much. So I'm gonna do a snowflake nail and a snowman nail, and really, it's just me playing around. I already know I'm going to start getting requests for the holidays soon. So, I'm just playing around with a couple techniques, seeing what works best, seeing what's a little bit faster, what's not a little bit faster. And so far, I kind of like the two methods that I did. I'm so happy to be here with you guys, and I hope y'all like this video. And so I'm gonna drop out for a few minutes. Before I drop out here, be sure and hit that like button, please, and hit the subscribe button. Leave me some messages. Tell me what you think. If there's a technique that you would have done differently, let me know, because I'm definitely down to try something new. Be sure and go to Facebook, look up Coffin Girl Nails, and join our Facebook group. I'm getting a lot of members on there. It's just, I'm slowly building it up. So be sure and like and subscribe and enjoy the video.
And you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm so just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here.
So this is one of the techniques that I just recently saw. I don't remember who I saw using it. If I do remember, I will be sure and comment and add who it was that I saw do this. Actually, you know what? They did it a little different. I kind of altered it up a little bit. But what I do is I just get a real fine glitter and just tap, tap, tap right over that wet gel polish before I cure. This is just to kind of get a little added texture, a little extra shine, and it's not going to stick to the blue because I did already do the gel cleanser and clean off the blue, so the blue's not tacky anymore. It is just the white that's tacky. And so this, I'm hoping, will work out well, which, to be continued. Dun, 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 dun. It did. So it looks super cute here. I just didn't want it to be a plain white. I wanted to have a little bit of glitter. And my snowflakes are not that great. So, it kind of deflects from, the sadness that is a snowflake. So this actually does look really cute. I do like it. And it is just such a simple, easy little technique. You can put a real thick layer of clear over it. You will still feel a little bit of bumpy and lumpy. If that bothers you, you can buff, once you get that clear coat on there, you can buff it out pretty good to smooth it pretty well. And then do another top coat of clear over it, and that'll just clear that bumpiness up. But, I just definitely wanted that little bit of dimension by adding the glitter. Now my next note is going to be a snowman. So, I'm not going to get any kind of copyright infringement by singing a certain song, but we will just, hey, let's build a snowman type of situation is going on. Anyways, so this is going to be a snowman. I do skip a couple parts here, and then at the very end, I don't know what in the world happened. I somehow skipped a part and it is just like completely gone. So it does jump back to pretty much the finished product. Sorry about that, guys.
The middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I can't go on to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. It's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
So with this one, instead of, I actually ended up, you know, cooking my white gel and then putting it on, dropping the glitter on while it was just in that stacky, oh my goodness, the tacky stage. I wanted the snowman to have a little more dimension to him. So I went ahead and got my clear top coat and just went over all of the glitter so that it would just kind of bubble it up in there and make a little bit of a lumpy bumpy thing going on. And of course, you know, I'm completely out of frame here because, you know, I'm the best videoer ever. You know, my talent is being out of the camera shot at least, you know, 10% of the video. So I went ahead and nuked it and it came back and it's all nice and pretty, cleaned it up. I'm going to add a hat, add the little details. And then after I add the hat and add the little details, what I did was I went over it with the IBD hard gel. It's a builder gel. And I did a clear coat over the entire nail because I wanted it to be nice and protected. And then while that was on there, before I nuked it, I went ahead and stuck some just clear gems on it. Just some cute little clear rhinestones to add a little bit of a snow effect instead of adding more glitter. And I think it looked pretty good. So, you know, I really hope you guys like this. Hope it gives you some ideas, and I'm absolutely certain that you guys will be better at it. I'm not the best artist when it comes to drawing on nails at all. So, you know, I have a couple things coming in, and I just wanted to wing the hand paint idea and see what would happen with it. And I'm pretty pleased with it. I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure and like and subscribe. As I mentioned on a previous video, I did start a Patreon. That is going to be in the description box. If you guys want to sign up for the Patreon, I will add you to a special secret group that I will post some live videos in, and I will also answer questions, and, you know, we can have discussions, things like that. And there are going to be some options in the Patreon for some supply boxes. So if you want to get some pretty cool supplies this year, be sure and go check out the Patreon because that's where everything's going to be. So be sure and like and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. You guys watching gives me the ability to keep making. And I love it. This is something that I just really enjoy. And I appreciate you guys being here. So I will talk to you guys later. And enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. It's just out before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame.